Today I'm going to show you how to create these multi-layered Twitter posts. I will also provide you free downloads for all of the Photoshop files that I use to help you speed up your workflow. So you have two options. You can either head to my website link below and download the 2 free templates. Alternatively, I will show you how to make the templates from scratch. So to begin with, we're going to go to File, New, and I create these as 4K, so 3840 by 2160. And that's at resolution 300 pixels per inch, 16 bits and transparent, and create. To set this up into 4 slices, we're going to go to the slice tool, select slice tool. We're going to right click on the template and select divide slice. So we need to check divide horizontally and vertically, and we're going to input 2, okay. There we go. We have our 4 sections. To create our second document, we need to go to File, New, and this one is 1080 by 1600, 300 pixels per inch, 16-bit, and transparent as also, and create. And we need to slice this again as well, so we need to go to Slice Tool, right click and divide slice, and we only need horizontal. So we uncheck and we change this to 3. All done. Right, so we're going to head back to our main image, our main template, and what I'd recommend doing is if you set up a folder to begin with, so I've named mine Twitter Multi, select the main image that you would like to be displayed on your feed that's cut into 4 sections, and then select a further 8 that you're going to be adding to the smaller template, so that when people click on the top left, for instance, the 2 images that you add to the top left section will be displayed. So we're going to go to our main image, drop. So as you can see, the image is smaller than the template. So we're going to go to the corner, hold down Shift and just drag out until there we go, and do the same for the other side. Excellent. So press return. That's now set. So the way that we export this so that it comes out in 4 different sections is to go to File and Export and Save for Web Legacy. Now when you get here, just make sure that JPEG is selected and press Save. And I have my Twitter Multi folder selected already, and I'm going to call this main. So now when we go back to our multi folder, there will be a new folder in there called images. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to do open in new tab. And as you can see, they're all in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So now we need to go to our second template. And this is where we start building. So from here, we're going to go to images and we're going to select image number 1. Now it's very important that 1, 2, 3, and 4, whenever you're on this section and you're adding photos, that these main sections are only ever placed in the center. Only in the center. It's the center parts section, it's the center sections that are going to be displayed on your feed. So from here, I'm going to add another layer. I'm going to head back to multi and my first image. Now this image will fall on top, so I'm going to drag up to about there, and then drag my main image on top of that one. And I'm going to go and get my second image, drop that on, drop that one down. Okay, that's our first section complete. So we're going to go to File, Export, Export as, and these are going to be JPEGs. We're going to select the highest quality, export again to our folder, and I'm going to call this section 1. complete. So we're going to add a new layer, and then we're going to delete these ones. And so it starts over again. So section 2 is images, main section in the middle again, enter, back to our other pictures that we're going to add. So this one goes up, and then we're going to drag the second, our main one above that one, and our next image. Drag it above. That's complete. So same again, we're going to export as JPEG, highest quality, and this will be section 2. So this whole stage is just rinse and repeat. So I go back to my folder, and as you can see, I've got section 1, section 2. So I'm going to fast forward it from here. Now all 4 sections are complete. We now need to post our pictures. To post this image into the 4 sections, we need to go to our page, and let me just switch this over to my circle, just so it's not posted actually on my feed. So normally we do click for more, and then we're going to start adding our pictures. So section 1, as you can see, they're all in order. Section 2, section 3, and section 4. And there we go. There's your post. There are other things you can do as well to make the post a bit more interesting. I'll show you in a moment. So if we select tweet, there we are. There's your post, and click for more. As you can see, I've made a different variation of the post here. I actually downloaded a Polaroid frame from Canva, and I have overlaid that with 2 of the same picture with the Polaroid dropped on top of the main picture itself, just to make it a slightly different post compared to what everybody else seems to be posting at the moment. I hope you found this helpful. Get posting. Goodbye.